We are pleased to show you the 2020 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote engine start, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps, fourth passenger door. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.